So this is the summary for lesson 1 in unit 1, food and nutrition. Okay, I hope you have watched the videos that I shared to you in YouTube. Okay, so what are the things or the topics that you need to learn in this lesson? Okay, first you need to know all the nutrients. Okay, and what do we mean by nutrients? Okay, so nutrients are substances from food that is needed by our body. Okay, so we have 5 basic nutrients. You have learned this already. We have carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, and we also include water. Okay, so you need to know what are the functions of these nutrients. Okay, so you need to know the nutrients and their functions. So for example, carbohydrates provide energy. Proteins are needed for bodybuilding. Fats to keep us warm, and vitamins and minerals to keep us healthy. Okay, so these are the functions of the different nutrients. Okay, we also need to know the nutrients in food. Okay, so for example, one kind of food contains different kinds of nutrients. An apple has carbohydrates, you have the sugar in it, and vitamins and minerals. It also has water. So different food contains different nutrients. Okay. You can check the nutrition fact. For example, you buy bread in the grocery. At the back of the packaging, you can see the nutrition fact in each item that you buy. Okay, so you can check how much carbohydrates it contains, how much protein, and so on. You also need to know about food additives. Okay, food additives are substances added to food to improve its taste, appearance, or texture. So, for example, those monosodium glutamate that they add to improve the taste of food or to make it more delicious or yummier. We also need to know about the energy requirement. So each individual, depending on their age and on their gender, has a different energy requirement. So in your book, I have here the energy requirement for each age level. Can you see? Okay, so here, like age 12, a male with a moderate activity level required 2,250 calories per day. Okay, and the female required 2,000 calories. So each gender, and depending on their age, has a different energy requirement. What do we mean by this energy requirement? It means that you need to eat this amount. If you eat less than this energy required, then you feel tired easily. You won't have enough energy to do your work. But if you eat more than what is required, therefore, your body will store this excess food or excess calories into fats. Okay, next, we also need to know about the nutrition flag. Okay. So I have here the nutrition flag. okay? You can search it in Google, okay? So the nutrition flag shows the amount, the recommended or suggested amount that we should eat in one day. So for example, for rice and starchy food, you are suggested to eat 8 to 12 rice serving spoons in one day. Okay? For vegetables, 4 to 6 rice serving spoons. For fruits, 3 to 5 portions. For milk, 1 to 2 glasses. For meat, 6 to 12 spoons. And for oil, sugar, and salt, you need to eat it in limited amounts, okay? If it's not clear for you, you can check it on Google. But you need to remember those, okay? You have to understand what is suggested, okay? You also need to know about the balanced diet. It's basically related, the nutrition flag and the balanced diet, because when you say it's a balanced diet, you get relatively the correct amount of food that you need to eat in one day. Okay, it should have enough carbohydrates, enough proteins, fats, and vitamins and minerals. Okay, and the last thing that you need to understand or learn in this lesson is BMI. BMI or body mass index. Okay, it's a little bit difficult, so I will explain to you. How are you going to get your BMI? Your BMI is equals to your height. Oh no, your BMI is equals to your mass. Sorry, your BMI is equals to your mass divided by your height. Okay. Your mass should be in kilograms and your height should be in meters. Okay. So when you get your BMI, you can check for your weight status category, okay? So if your BMI, this is for adults, okay? If your BMI is below 18.5, can you see? Okay, if your BMI is below 18.5, you are underweight. If your BMI is 18.5 to 24.9, you are normal, okay? 25 to 29.9, you are overweight, and 30 and above, you are obese, okay? So this is for adults. Now for children, we have to use the growth BMI for age growth chart, okay? So what you're going to do, you have to look for the percentage, okay? Or what percentile you are in. For example, you are, this one you can check on Google, okay? Look for the video, look for a picture, okay? But I have already included it in your PDF file, okay? So, for example, this boy, a 10-year-old boy with BMI of 18, will have to be on the category of healthy, okay? Here. So it's around 75%. So for children, you have a different table for BMI. So if your percentile range is below 5%, you are underweight. If it's 5 to 84.9%, you are normal. If it's 85 to 94.9, you are overweight, and 95% and above, you are obese. Okay? So, I have sent the link for a PDF file. You can download that file and answer the quiz. You need to get your BMI, okay? You have to know how to get your own BMI and know your own weight status category. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you have any questions, just send a message to me on Facebook, okay? Or comment on the video. Okay? Bye! Good luck!